choose CDU taking a Bachelor of Science in Biology because the BS Biology program of CDU is level 2 PASCO accredited, and I think that's the best institution to give me more knowledge about biology.
Because it's the only school that offers radiologic technology here in Cebu City. And of course, I believe that Cebu Doctors University will be able to bridge my success.
F up.